Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox and review a cheap wireless mouse that I purchased from Flipkart with only 359 rupees. So, this is the box. Brand name is Zoook Blade, a Chinese company. Highlighting feature of this mouse is that it has 7-color RGB light and built-in 600 mAh rechargeable battery. And here are the specs: working range is 10 meters and click life is 20 million times. Let's open the box. At first, here we get a micro USB charging cable. Type-C would be great, but at this price I won't complain. And here is the mouse, lightweight, nearly 60 grams. Has rubberized matte finish which will provide good grip. Clicks are surprisingly silent, which is great, and it fits perfectly in the hand, quite comfortable to hold. At the back side we have power on-off button and the USB dongle. This mouse is not compatible with Bluetooth. It works with the provided dongle only. This mouse is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. We can charge it with any USB port of maximum 10-watt power supply. Here, I am using my power bank to charge it. While charging, a blue LED light will indicate that it is charging, and when it is fully charged the light will turn off. It took almost 90 minutes to get fully charged. Once you connect the USB dongle with your PC, necessary drivers will get installed automatically. Same will happen for Android TV and tablet also. I do not have Linux or Mac system, so I can't comment on that. I did not feel any lag or drifting with this mouse. It has 3 DPI levels: 800, 1200 and 1600. We can change DPI levels by clicking on this dedicated DPI button. There is, however, no backward and forward button on this mouse. The mouse moves pretty well across most surfaces and clicking is pretty responsive. RGB light makes it even better. Breathing backlight adds elegance to its look and feel, but RGB is not customizable. We can even turn off the RGB lights by clicking on the DPI button for 3 seconds. It will extend battery life. But with RGB on, I was able to use it for a week with daily average use of 8 hours. The mouse has a built-in sleep mode feature, which kicks in to save battery power after 5 minutes of inactivity. Plus, when I turn off my PC or TV, the mouse automatically shuts off on its own, so there is no need to manually turn off the power button. I wouldn't necessarily recommend this mouse for heavy gaming, but it's wonderful for your usual everyday tasks.